We are headed to Hollywood.
Alright, so we are in Hollywood Studios right now, and Taylor is going to get a, she's looking for a millennial magic band. It's basically pink, and or rose gold maybe. That's it.
Yeah, that's it.
I guess it's these ones right here. I don't see them being that special.
It's because they're new. So Josh doesn't understand because he's not a 20-some-year-old girl. But this is the new like pink magic band. They've been calling it the millennial pink magic band. But I had to get it because I have this shirt. Even though it's a slightly different color.
It's a completely different color.
I wanted it. And it was $12.99. I got a $2 discount with my annual pass, so.
Another thing is that if you are an annual pass holder, and if you have gotten or have not gotten, you can still come down and get these. They're still handing these out from during the Christmas season, so.
We got another
I mean, we already got ours, and they're just basically handing them out like candy, so. If you want it, come get it. I'm thirsty, so I figured what better place to come to get a drink other than the tap house.
You just go to the bar, right?
Yep. You don't need to form a line. Just go up to the bar.
Is that it?
That's
Yes. Oh my god, this is so good. Oh wow. Want to hear a funny story?
No, we're not going to tell any funny stories because we just literally switched places.
It's such a funny story.
I'm so frustrated right now, guys. So super frustrated, guys.
The beard doesn't fool anyone, apparently. I mean, he's 26, but...
I'm 26 years old. I got carded. Forgot my wallet. So I couldn't get it. But it's a good thing because I could still drink it, so it's fine. After we left. What'd you get? Oh, she doesn't even remember.
Yeah. But it's really good. It tastes like fruit punch.
Alright, I gotta go figure out what Taylor got because she doesn't know. So, she got the California Sunset. You can't really see that up there either, but it's Absolute Berry, Acai Vodka, Southern Comfort, and orange juice.
So what did I get?
It's like some type of Absolute Berry, Acai Vodka.
What's the name of the drink?
Southern Comfort.
What's the name?
I forgot already. I said it already though when I walked over. Is it good?
California Sunset. I got a California Sunset.
Instead of walking back over, she was just ducking.
I saw it though.
She was ducking down. So Taylor's way back behind me, like somewhere probably like over here or over here. I don't know. We are at Hollywood Studios to see something that we have not seen in a very, very long time. I mean, it's been years. Oh, wait, it's not this water fountain. That's not what I'm talking about. This has been here for quite a while, actually.
Oh,
There's a rope there.
there's a rope there.
That was probably really dumb, but I thought it'd be kind of funny. Because it almost looks like if you stand right there and you do the picture or the video just right, it looks like you can walk right up to the Millennium Falcon. Which obviously you can't.
Hopefully we'll be able to soon.
There's a rope there. So I don't know if you guys know this, but when you come to Hollywood Studios, there's one guy who, if you ask him to take your picture, he will get a family photo of literally every single person that is here. And I'm not going to jump in the photo. I'm actually just going to get it on camera so that you can see, because it's pretty cool.
It's a family picture. Jump in. Guys, pull in. Jump in right by the cart.
This guy's awesome.
Hollywood Studios family
This
picture.
is awesome.
Jump in there. There you go. Perfect. Jump in. Well, go get in the picture. Everybody say, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. This time go, Mickey Mouse. Mickey Mouse. That's a family picture.
That guy's awesome.
I made it! I heard him yelling from way back there. I knew it. That's like my favorite thing.
We actually saw him on the way in, and Taylor wanted to actually do that. And I was slightly opposed to it because it's only the two of us. But it worked out because there was somebody that did want to get their photo taken, so it was perfect.
I sprinted to get there.
It was perfect. Okay, this is actually why we have come to Hollywood Studios tonight, because it's to see something we haven't seen in years.
Long time.
Fantasmic. It's 7 o'clock. It's like 5:30. We have no fast passes except for this, and our fast pass until like 6:20, so.
And I've gotten my fill. I got my family photo, that's all I needed.
So yeah, we don't really know what to do now. We're just gonna hang out and people watch, maybe. Maybe go stand in the standby line?
Huh?
Go stand in the standby line?
I ain't standing in the standby line. We got a fast pass.
Oh.
I don't do standby.
This is the first time we've been here in a couple years. You can eat in here, you can drink in here. They have food and beverages. Looks like they have churros and popcorn and beer and chips and soda.
Hello.
So they have all the merchandise here.
Oh, perfect.
Oh, and she's handing out stickers. Oh, awesome. I'll take this one, yeah.
Okay.
Thank
Hi
you.
there. How are you? Would you like a sticker?
Look at that, I got a sticker. Taylor didn't get one.
I thought it was like a Fantasmic sticker.
Oh, Taylor didn't get a sticker, but Josh did. Oh.
Hey guys,
So
It's cold.
It's freezing, so I had to go get myself a coffee.
Fantasmic when it's cold. Wait till the summertime when you're sweating hot all day long.
Well, maybe just don't go to Fantasmic when you're cold. When it's cold.
Arm out further.
Don't go to Fantasmic when it's cold and sit towards the front because
We got sprayed with water the whole time.
either they had signs.
No, it wasn't a sign. They announced it overhead and I forgot.
I didn't hear them announce us, but Taylor did. And
Fantasmic is a live theatrical
Just in
production
case we
featuring
leave, we
a
can get
number
back
of
in.
special water effects.
Gotcha.
So, you may get wet.
Whoopsie.
thought we would be fine. We got soaked, and now
Yep.
we're freezing.
Yep.
And so we need to go back to the car.
I didn't watch half the show because I was covering my face.
So we have to go back to the car, warm up. We're going to Disney Springs. We're going to go watch a movie. So we still have a lot of time before the movie starts.
It's only 7:30.
And
the movie's at 10.
so we'll probably walk around Disney Springs a little bit.
It's too cold.
I don't know, warm up in the car, I guess.
We're warming up right now. We're doing like half marathon hustling right here.
Yeah, we're maintaining a 16
Minute mile.
So we're at Disney Springs, and it's really cold outside, so we came inside of Splitsville to the bar. We got some drinks, and we're gonna get I think they're called Macho Nachos? Nacho Machos? They're nachos. We're gonna get those as an appetizer to eat before we go to the movie. We're going to see, what are we going to see?
The Greatest Showman.
The Greatest Showman. There's like literally like only 4 seats that got bought, and we were 2 more, so I'll be excited to see if there's like a lot of other people. So we actually haven't ever bowled in here either, nor have we actually gotten any food, but Caleb, I know that you're watching. At least I hope so.
We need to come here.
Yeah, we've been putting this
Two
off
of us
for like,
and Jenna.
we've been putting this
And
off
you.
for a really long time, so we definitely need to like set a date, come in, do some bowling. It would be fun. Okay, so we got the Machos Nachos, $15. I'd say it's worth the price. Check this out. It's a ton of food. A ton.
It's got white cheese. My fave.
How was it?
Good.
So we're going to see The Greatest Showman. It doesn't start until 10 o'clock, so this is like really late for us. But should be good.
Late for Josh.
So before we go into the movie theater, I don't think we ever like actually gave our thoughts on Fantasmic.
We did not.
Main thing is it needs to be updated. It's very out of date.
I really did not remember what the show was at all, and most of
I didn't
it-
either, to be honest.
The character stuff up on the stage and like mountain was awesome. And I mean the water effects were cool too, but it was mostly just the water effects, which I did not remember it being like that. And then it was
Yeah.
freezing cold and we were getting misted on. So we should have not have sat in the front row.
No, we shouldn't have. But it was. I mean, it was still okay. Still a good show. I see. I don't know. This is all right. All right. We're going in the theater, so this is going to go in the backpack. You know, for obvious reasons. Wow, so we just finished The Greatest Showman.
It was really good.
That was like, yeah, that was a very good movie. I would probably pay to go see that movie again.
And Josh had no idea that that was a musical.
I had no idea at all. Like
We
when Taylor
sat down and the movie was about to start. I said, "You know this is a musical, right?"
and Taylor said that, and I was like, oh my gosh, because I don't really like musical movies, but that was very, very good. I highly recommend everybody goes and sees it. It's, you know, it's like I think anybody could go. I don't know what it was rated, but
I don't know what it was rated either, but it was good.
I mean, it's probably like a family movie, I would say. So
But yeah, there was nothing. It was definitely family friendly.
it was. Well, we'll be back to Disney Springs,
Tomorrow.
which is going to end up being the same
Same
night
day
that
that
this
we
gets
posted.
posted. So, because we're going to the Edison, so look out for that next week on Monday. Hopefully, it's amazing.
And the battery's gonna die on the camera right about meow.